I'm so glad this is a half-price milkshake. That means I can go up and buy another one. Welcome to Donuts and Diners, the tastiest channel on YouTube. And today we're in Maryville, Tennessee, and we have found this really awesome place. It's called the Hop 50s Drive-In. All right, everybody, I'm here with Cordell. Cordell has been here forever, from what I understand.
Yeah.
Can you tell me a little bit about the restaurant here?
This restaurant used to be Hamburn's. We're a 50s restaurant, and it's built out of a real restaurant that was built in the 50s.
Oh, that's really cool.
Yeah.
A couple of questions for you. What kind of fried pies do you have?
We have apple, blackberry, cherry.
Apple, blackberry, cherry, and peach. I think we're going with an apple. Specialty that you guys serve here, like the thing that people come for.
I would say that most people's favorite item is definitely the steak Philly.
The steak Philly.
I've heard people say, and I'm not trying to say it is, that it's better than some they've had in Philadelphia.
Wow, the steak Philly is better than some in Philadelphia. That's a pretty big claim.
Don't quote me on that.
Hey, that's
well,
awesome.
Here I am being quoted on that.
And it's half-price milkshakes today. I think I'm gonna have a medium Oreo milkshake. Do you have people that come in here all the time that are regulars that you see like on a daily basis?
Yeah. We have ice cream cone lady.
They have an ice cream cone lady. She has her own name, and they already know what she wants. When she comes to the window, they already have it ready.
And that when we see her, we just go ahead and make an ice cream cone and bring it to her.
I'm in the back area of the place here. Looks like they got a lot of fun things, but I'm not staying here. No car hop service. They're not bringing my food to me. I'm leaving. Our thing beeped. That's warm. So you can get food how many different ways? You can drive up.
We have a cashier window. We have all the seats, as you can see. We have the picnic seats, and you can drive in and stay in your car if you want to. Sometimes people will go into the drive-thru and come to the cashier window, though.
Wow. So basically, you're saying, however you want to get food, you're going to get food here.
Yes.
I like that. All right, we just got our food. Came out here. The shake and the malt look great. If you only had smell-o-vision. I'll take one of each, please. The reveal. Now, I did not order the apple pie, so I can't take very much, but I have to have a bite. Okay, I didn't get any filling in that bite, so I have to have another one. You can definitely tell that's a homemade crust. I mean, there's nothing store-bought there. There's the fork marks where they've pressed the crust together. You see the filling inside here. Yum. You should be able to eat your shake with a spoon or with a straw. That is a perfect consistency for a shake. And this, they must use some kind of magical Oreo in this thing. I'm so glad this is a half-price milkshake. That means I can go up and buy another one. The Hop 50s Drive-In. If you're ever in Maryville, Tennessee, do not leave this city without stopping at this place. That half-price milkshake, that it should have been a double-price milkshake. Oh man, it was good. I can't wait to get back here and try some other things off their menu. You do the same. If you're not a subscriber to the channel, click that subscribe button, click the notification bell, the big thumbs up like, all of that helps the channel. And until next time, we'll see you.